Conditionals and wishes. Conditionals. Conditionals are clauses that start with if. The form of conditionals is the if clause, or hypothesis, plus the main clause, or the result of the hypothesis. Zero conditionals. Zero conditionals are used to talk about things that are always true, like rules or inevitable outcomes or consequences. To form zero conditionals, you have if plus the noun or pronoun plus the present tense of the verb plus the noun or pronoun plus the present tense of the verb. For example, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. First conditional. First conditionals are used to talk about things that are normal, possible, and likely to happen. To form the first conditional, the if clause starts with if plus the noun or pronoun plus present simple form of the verb. The main clause starts with the noun or pronoun plus will, can, might, may, should, must, or have to, plus the verb base form. For example, if you finish your work, we can go out to lunch. If you're in town, you should visit me. If he doesn't pay his fine, he will get his license taken away. Second conditional. Second conditionals are used to talk about things that are impossible or very unlikely to happen. To form the second conditional, the if clause starts with if, plus the noun or pronoun, plus the past simple form of the verb. The main clause starts with the noun or pronoun, plus would, plus the verb base form. For example, if I had $1 million, I would buy a house. If I were you, I would tell her about it. Third conditional. Third conditionals are used to talk about events in the past that can't be changed. To form the third conditional, the if clause begins with if, plus the noun or pronoun, plus had or hadn't, plus past participle of the verb. The main clause begins with the noun or pronoun, plus would've, could've, might've, or must've, plus the past participle of the verb. For example, if he had studied harder, he would have gotten into a better college. If I had listened to my parents' advice, I wouldn't have been in that situation.